dreamers out there. I hope you are having an absolutely beautiful day. Can you believe it's July? Like, I actually cannot believe it's already July, and it's crazy. I hope we all have some intentions, some visions that we want to create this month. And I really just wanted to share that it is halfway through the year. So every July, it's like we've got 6 months left of the year to really be so excited and proud of what we've created, and so excited and proud of the mistakes that we made and the failures that we had. And I actually just want to touch upon this idea of failure. And I've come to find that anybody that's described as a failure is somebody who is relentless, is somebody who is so courageous and brave and goes after things. And often I feel like people are afraid to make commitments because they're afraid to fail, and they're afraid of beating themselves up and being mad at themselves and disappointed in themselves. And I just want to share that this July, today, let's reframe our idea of what failure means to us, because I think that failure is a huge success, because that means you're changing. That means you're trying new things, you're going after something. Anytime that we fail, it's actually a stepping stone to learn something new, to change course a little bit, see what's working, what's not working, and to overcome something. So I invite you to fail. This year, what can you do to fail 5 times? What can you do to make some more mistakes and just expand a little bit past our comfort zone? Because you and I both know our brains are designed for comforts. Like, sure, our brains probably just want to eat ice cream and sit in bed all day long. And you know, we gotta we have to get uncomfortable often if we want to really see the results that we want. And I invite you to think of, like, what is something that we can do to have fun, like getting excited about getting a little uncomfortable, and can we twerk through it? Can we dance through it? Can we get excited about creating a vision instead of having it be a struggle, having it be a forced thing that isn't going to be sustainable? So yeah, just wanted to share with y'all halfway through the year. Are you still on track with what you want to create? I hope that we both are. It's always fun to switch it up, try something new, get in some more veggies. So let's go ahead and dive into the recipe. I love you so much. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Let me know what you'd like to see. Hit me up on Instagram. Honestly, like, I want to connect. I want to connect with you. I want to get to know you. I want to see you in my DMs. Like, I want to be like actually feeling like there's people in this world and we're all in this technology, and I just want to see you and feel you and understand where you're coming from. You are understood. You are not alone. You are heard. Thank you for showing up here. Thank you for spending some time with me. I'm really happy to have you in my community, and like, yeah, I really do hope to connect. So give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you'd like to see. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and have a beautiful day, all right? You are incredible. You are amazing. Have a beautiful, incredible, wonderful life. Thanks for watching. Bye.